Hello people! So for today's video, pupunta kami sa beach. Kasama ko na naman ang aking mga chikiting. We're going to like Dora Dora the Explorer for today's video. Kasama ko yung kaibigan ko, sinundo lang namin siya. And yeah, we are going for an adventure. So we passed by here in Domino's Pizza for a while to order Crystal's pizza.
Hello. I say hello.
Alright, so we are finally here after 30 minutes na libot-libot.
What 30 minutes? It took more than an hour to
Say
get
hi.
here.
Chantal, say hi to the people.
It took more than an hour to
I don't
reach
think
here.
it's... Yeah, because we went somewhere to fetch. So, hindi namin alam kasi yung expected ko na place na dagat is yung sa kabila, which is ibang way
Why
siya.
are they so slow?
I don't know. So, yan. Ay, Nak, you stand behind me.
Behind you?
Beside me. So, we still have to hike for about 10 minutes. 10 to 15, but it depends with us kung sa may kapaspas mo baktas. So they are my
Mama,
kauban. Yeah,
your shoes look like you're going jogging.
yeah, go jogging. So that is Pantay Isen. Yeah. Hi. Hi to the vlog. Charot. So ito na yung entrance ng Pantay Isen. Ito yung sabi nila na have to hike for about 10 to 15 minutes bago mo marating yung seaside. I think pwede din makisakay dito, oh. Ay, sorry. Sorry, Nak. Itong, anong tawag nun? ARV. Pwede sumakay. Can ride this one, ah.
Where are we?
Where are we? So it's like a cave. It's like a cave.
I'm scared.
Scared of what? Where's Chantal?
What if I fall down?
Aray ko. Only 3 minutes, ah. But Crystal already. Reklamo.
I'm scared.
You put your stuff out. Imong gamit niya.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Come on. Meron din silang dito, homestay. Merong contact number, so pwede ka mag-stay dito ng overnight. They also have baby. I carry Chantal, and
But they have a dog.
Crystal is nagunit sa kuang kilid, and nagkarga ko ni Chantal, and it's very hangak. Hi! It's very hangak.
What's hangak?
Aray!
What's hangak? Hello.
You hold it. You don't want to say something in this
I don't know
hiking.
what to say.
I don't know how to say. So, how's your experience?
But now we're just
Oh, we
leaving
have
them.
the banana. Sorry, papaya. Show the papaya.
Can you see it, guys? And we're just wait. Now we're leaving them.
It's okay.
Now they're coming.
You are the leader.
No,
Oh,
this seems a bit.
it's not tired actually, but only thing is I carry Chantal, so it's
The tires. The tire became the scary.
wow.
Are we
We
here?
are here, and this beautiful OA. Look at there. Look at the landscape.
Very nice, right?
Yeah, not you see. Isn't it nice? Unsa na ilang gipanday? Unsa tawagan na, sis?
Marty.
MRT? Oh! Yeah, so nice the landscape.
Can you take a photo here?
Wow!
All of us na.
We're here! We're finally here! After walking for how many?
Nana, we take photo.
30 minutes?
5 minutes lang.
5 minutes? Oh my.
Why is the beach all the way down there?
You have to goat farm and ATV ride.
Yeah, all the way there ATV.
Okay. Magpicture-picture daw may mga Bisaya. This is Pantay Isen. Meron silang pag ganito mga char-char effect. And the landscape from here sa seaside. Doon kami pumesto. It's na sila mga duyan-duyan daha o magduyan ni Crystal unya. So Chantal is here, Crystal also is here. Tapos ang mga duha ka Bisaya, ikatulo nako ug ang isa ka incheck. So meron kaming baon na pizza.
Hala ka, cute ni Shan.
Tapos drinks and some of the drinks. That's okay. So kain muna kami.
Cute sa bata eh.
Cause
I wanna eat right now.
okay, you eat, you take your food. You deserve kasi you walk for 3 hours. 3 hours hike. Yung 10 minutes is 3 hours namin na hinike. Charot lang. Nag-ilis mi og sinina kay gusto ko maghimo og reels namo. Ay reels. So man yun, intro sa among video. So nagdress mi. Ah naman to si ate. Come here Nat. So ako ang tuyo nga anhi mi diri kay mag tawag gani maghimo og video.
I like this kind of sun at this part.
Kumurang ngit-ngit no. Kana murag pinastolin ka sis ba? Okay na sis. Okay na. Okay na. Okay.
Reveal.
Okay.
Shan.
Ano to? Pang ano na to? Say hi! Hi! Oy, nindot. Hi! Parang hindi na namin naabutan yung sunset. Siguro kasi gloomy yung araw na to and may haze din kasi. Okay, what you want to do? You want to ride this? You want to go there? Here? The one? It's okay if you get wet. We are here in Texas Chicken. What's the name again?
Texas.
Is it correct? Texas Chicken. Dari ami manihapon, awa si Crystal. What's that na?
Right.
Huh? Chicken wrap, whatever. And then order ng mga friends ko. Ayan. Sis Joanne is holding my little girl and si Risa. Nag-porridge lang siya.
Porridge.
Ako po daay porridge. Adili daay. May series.
That's already.
Hold on. Hold on, Chantal. This is mine.
This is just delicious.
And our face na covered na masyado. So let's eat. What drinks you want?
What drinks they have?
Ngayon ko isa akong hata kay Chantal. Para di siya mamira. Gusto ko. Can you please lock the car? So kakarating lang namin dito sa aming car park, and we are going up na sa aming, aray ko, ang hirap. So heavy. I also don't know what to say already. Yeah, so we are going up sa aming unit, sa aming condo unit, at nang kami makapagpahinga na because we are so tired today. Are you tired, Crystal? I think Chantal also was tired because just now she fall asleep habang kami ay nagha-hike. Oh my goodness. Nagha-hike pauwi back to our car kanina. Kasi akala namin mag sana kami, mag ATV car. Yan yung balak namin, but maybe because gabi na kasi kami na na umuwi. I mean natapos doon. So nung pumunta na kami sa ATV, kung saan doon sila parang terminal ba ng ATV. And then wala na. It was really dark already just now, right, Crystal? Then no choice na kami kundi mag-hike pabalik dun sa aming sasakyan. And then while walking, si Chantal gumagano na siya. Pagtingin ko natulog na pala.
Ma, on the beach,
Right, Chantal?
I just found a stick.
May si Crystal. She got souvenir. Oh, you also have... Oh, why you bring this? No wonder our car got a lot of sand.
You said I could bring it.
I thought you only bring the shell, not the sand. Kaya pala ang daming sand sa sasakyan. Okay, so we are here, and thank you so much for watching our video, people. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.